This is a picture of the solar oven I created in class last Saturday. As we can see, my aluminum foil had many wrinkles on the top part of my box. It was not fully flattened down. The saran wrap I used with Scotch tape, taping it to the box, still had a few holes in it where air could have been released into the box, causing my nachos to not fully melt. As we can see, the cheese did not fully melt, and I think this could be due to the air being released inside my box while it was cooking outside and the wrinkles of my aluminum foil. I decided to modify my solar oven box to see if it could cook something better than the nachos that we cooked during class. First, I made sure that I flattened out my aluminum foil on the surface of the box, removing as many wrinkles as I could. Then, I used transparency paper to fill the hole that I had cut instead of using saran wrap because this paper is a lot thicker and I thought that it would decrease my chances of getting air into my box. Then, instead of Scotch tape, I used masking tape. This tape held up a lot better than the Scotch tape I used in class. And I made sure to tape my paper all the way around the edges on this side and even underneath to really hold it in place so I could decrease my chances of getting air inside my box. Then I made sure to cover the whole bottom part of my box with black construction paper because I did not do this the first time. I left this little space open, so I'm hoping this helps this time around. I also will be holding my box open with a skewer stick to help the aluminum foil reflect the sunlight really into my box because last time when it was outside it went all the way down like this, which caused no reflection to be made. Now I am going to put a piece of bread with shredded cheese inside my oven and see if these changes help a better energy transformation form and see if the cheese will melt on top of the bread. Now it is time to test it. Let's see if it works. Let's see how it worked. Some of the underlying cheese has melted. The cheese and the bread represent the chemical energy because it was stored energy inside the cheese and bread. It then turned into radiant energy due to the sunlight reflecting off the aluminum foil. This was my energy transformations during this project.